In this video, I'm going to teach you about opposite words. The purpose of this lesson is to increase your vocabulary. In short, is to help you know more words and what they mean. So, the intention of this lesson is just to increase your vocabulary, know more English words. So, let's get started. So, first of all, let's define what are opposite words. What are opposite words? So, let me just put the line properly. Okay. We are saying opposite words are words that contradict each other. So, opposite words are those words that say the opposite things. Let me say that contradict each other. The other one means different, and the other one also means different. Um, uh, I'll try to illustrate more on the definition in the examples. So let's look at some examples of opposite words. So number one, yes. So what is the opposite of yes? What word contradicts yes? So we are saying the word that contradicts yes is no. So when you say yes, the opposite of yes is no. So it's more or less like two words fighting each other. The other one is saying the other thing, and the other one saying the other thing. I'm trying to avoid to say the opposite because we're trying to understand what our opposite words are. So opposite words are those words that contradict each other. Let's look at the second example. Come. What is the opposite of come? What word contradicts come? Go. So the opposite word of come is go. Let's look at the third example. To. What word contradicts to? What word fights to? So you're saying the word that contradicts to is short. So the opposite word of to is short. Start. What word contradicts start? What is the opposite word of start? So we're saying the opposite word of start is stop. Let's go to the fifth example, upper. What is the opposite word of upper? The opposite word of upper is lower. So the opposite word of upper is lower. What is the opposite word of beautiful? What is the opposite word of beautiful? What word contradicts beautiful? Ugly. So when something is not beautiful, it is ugly. However, we don't use this word to our fellow human being or to comment on somebody's property because it tends to be harsh. So, however, just to increase your vocabulary, when something is not beautiful, it's what? Ugly. So, ugly is the opposite of beautiful. The seventh word is top. What is the opposite word of top? The opposite word of top. So, the opposite word of top is under. The opposite word of top is under. Okay, let's see. Have some fun again with some sentences. Okay, now let's have some fun using sentences. So, fill in the blank space with the opposite word in the fill in the blank spaces with the opposite word to the word in the brackets. So there will be sentences that I'll write down, and at the end of the sentence there will be a word in brackets So we are going to use that word to find the opposite of that word. That is the word we are going to put in the blank space to complete the sentence. So sentence number one. Number one is saying dash, comma, I'm coming. And the answer, the word in bracket is no. Dash, comma, I'm coming. The word in brackets is no. So we are going to find the meaning, the opposite word of no. What is the opposite word of no? So as we learned in the examples earlier on, the opposite of no is yes. The opposite of no is yes. So the sentence will be yes, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. Let's look at the second sentence. The bag is dash the table. The bag is dash the table. The word in the bracket in the brackets is top. So that is the word in brackets, top. So what is the opposite of top? The opposite of top is under. The opposite of top is under. So the sentence will read, the bag is under the table. The bag is under the table. Let's look at sentence number 3. My friend is not dash. My friend is not dash. In brackets, we have to. In brackets, we have to. So what is the opposite of to? The opposite of to is short. My friend is not short. My friend is not short. So sorry, I forgot to underline the word that is helping us to find the correct answer. So the word that is helping us to find the correct answer is to. The one which is underlined. Let's look at the fourth sentence. My father's watch is dash agree. My father's watch is dash agree. So the word that is helping us to find the correct answer is agree. So let's find the opposite of agree. So what did we learn in the previous example? What is the opposite of agree? So the opposite of agree is beautiful. So my father's watch is beautiful. My father's watch is beautiful. Okay, let's look at this last example, the fifth example. Mary dash here. In the brackets, we have go. Mary dash here, in brackets, go. So we are looking for the opposite word for go. So the opposite word for go, the opposite word of go is come. Mary, come here. Mary, come here. Okay, so I think we have practiced on some. We have practiced the opposite of some words. So let's check on. Let's have some more fun. So let's have some more fun now. Okay. So just having some more fun. We had some fun. Now let's have more fun. More fun. So the instructions remains the same, but this time I'm going to write sentences that we didn't look at, but I want you to find the opposite of the words I'll give you. In the previous example, we are looking at words which we looked at in the earlier example, but this time I'll give you sentences where words which will be in brackets are those which we didn't look at, like number 1, my grandfather is at the dash of the shop. My grandfather is at the dash of the shop. In brackets, we have front. My grandfather is at the dash of the shop. In brackets, we have front. So, what is the opposite of front? If you know the opposite of front, will help us to complete this sentence correctly. Let's look at number 2. The dog is dash the car. The word in bracket is out. So let's find out the opposite of out. Then out. Then the opposite of out is the correct answer. Number 3. Blessed is the hand that dash in brackets receives. Blessed is the hand that dash in bracket receives. What is the opposite of receives? What is the opposite of receives? Number 4, Isaac went to a dash place. In brackets, we have near. Isaac went to a dash place. In brackets, we have near. What is the opposite of near? The fifth question is, my field is dash. In brackets, we have big. My field is dash. In brackets, we have big. What is the opposite of big? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. We'll be teaching you a lot of lessons, so please subscribe and learn more. Thank you so much.